Yo, what's up, folks? So the exact same Model X refresh that we took a look at in my second last video was spotted once again at the Fremont factory, but this time we could see it launch. So let's see this Model X launch. So there is the Model X, and there it goes. How cool is that? That is super cool. Superb. So once again, this is the exact Model X that we took a look at in my second last video, and in this video we get to see Smart Shift in action again. So you can see they were able to reverse successfully. Here I'm not so sure how they were able to get into drive. Did they shift gears on the touchscreen or was it Smart Shift? I don't know. Now, one thing to note, Model S has been delayed like a lot, but if we take a look at Model X on Tesla's website, it still says May to June, and that is exactly what we saw at the Q4 earnings call. So it's possible Model X refresh will be delivering the next month or two. Now, I love the Model S more than the X, but still this would be really exciting because then we will be able to see the updated interior, and not just that, Smart Shift as well. So yeah, it's possible. And that is going to wrap it up for today's video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notifications, and see you all in the next video.